Have you ever wondered how some people make money just by running ads online, while others just lose money over and over again? Because here's the reality most beginners don't realize. Running ads is not about having the right product or a perfect website even. It's nothing of that sort. Most of the time, it comes down to one thing, and one thing only. It's the traffic. And it's not any kind of traffic. More importantly, it is the quality of that traffic that matters. A while ago, when I first started learning about affiliate marketing and paid traffic, I kept seeing people talk about ad networks. Some people were making serious money with them. So naturally, I got curious. That's when I started looking deeper into how advertising networks actually work, and that is how I came across RollerAds. RollerAds, which is an ad network focused mainly on performance traffic. This caught my attention, and it's not just the network itself. It was one specific traffic format they offer, which is called direct click. It's called direct click, and it sounds just like another advertising thing, but once you understand how it works, it actually makes a lot of sense, especially for beginners. All right, so let me explain. One of the biggest problems in online advertising today is something called banner blindness. Basically, people are so used to seeing ads everywhere that they completely ignore them. Think about it. How often do you click on a random banner ad on a website, right? Most people don't. They just go past them. And that is where direct click works differently. Instead of interrupting users with ads they didn't ask for, this type of traffic focuses on moments when users are already interacting with something online. For example, one part of direct click traffic comes from users who just finished filling out surveys online. Now, think about what that means. These users are already engaged. They've already taken action. They're not just browsing passively. Now, another part of this traffic comes from something called domain traffic. This happens when users type in expired or misspelled domain names and land on parked pages. So instead of just showing them an empty page, they can be redirected toward relevant offers that match their potential interest. And then there's another source, which is based on engagement clicks. These are clicks happening whenever people click on those download or play buttons or continue buttons. So instead of throwing ads everywhere and hoping something sticks, it focuses on users who are already clicking and interacting, and that small difference can completely change how campaigns perform. Now, what's also important here is that, for example, especially beginners, when they try paid traffic, they usually waste money testing audiences that aren't ready to convert. They're paying for impressions instead of the actual engagement. And direct click here, as you can see, this is the dashboard of it. When you click on new campaign and you click on direct click, as all the other ones, well, it uses a CPC model, which you can select right here, meaning you pay per click instead of just exposure. This means your budget is focused on users who actually interact with the offer. And for beginners especially, that can make learning paid traffic much less frustrating. And it's not just for beginners, it's for pros alike. So if you already like it, link is going to be down there in the description. Now, another thing, if we scroll down, you can see that RollerAds is not limited when it comes to countries. The traffic is global. You're not stuck targeting one country. You can test offers across different markets and find opportunities where competition might be lower. Now, something else that surprised me, it was how certain types of offers perform really well with this kind of traffic. For example, mobile subscriptions. These offers are very popular because they're simple and quick to sign up for. Sweepstakes campaigns also work well since users are already interested in trying something new or entering giveaways. Finance offers, browser extensions, entertainment services, and e-commerce products are also commonly promoted using this type of traffic. And it's really easy to navigate here. All you have to do is to choose all these options here. Just make everything suited to yourself and then just click on Start Campaign. Really, really simple. And here's the thing, this is really interesting. Two identical offers can perform very differently when exposed to some real traffic, of course. Now, RollerAds actually had a case study. Multiple VPN offers were tested at the same time. After just a few days, some offers performed better than the other ones. By removing weaker ones and optimizing the stronger ones, the campaign actually became more profitable. And that right there is one of the biggest lessons in affiliate marketing and media buying. Success doesn't usually come from picking the right offer. It comes from testing, analyzing, and optimizing. And over time, that data becomes extremely valuable. What I personally find interesting about direct click is that it shifts advertising from interruption to timing. Instead of showing ads randomly, it tries to catch users when they're already interacting with something online. And that's the key point. This creates a much smoother experience for the user, and often better performance for advertisers. If you've ever been curious about affiliate marketing, performance advertising, or building online side hustle, learning how traffic networks like RollerAds operate is honestly a great place to start. They even have a lot of these blogs in this section here. So it's really, really good. Because once you understand traffic, you start understanding how most online businesses actually grow. And sometimes success online is not about creating something new. It's about connecting the right offer to the right audience at the right time. So the link is going to be down there. Enjoy yourselves. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you next time.